Many principals and educators have spoken to the inadequate funding of the education system that has been exaggerated by the government of Jamaica, seeking the political benefit of the statement free education without taking the budgetary hit of providing the necessary funding. Currently, the government grants schools $10,500 per year for primary school per student and $17,000 per student per year at the secondary level. Having contacted over 30 principals, none estimated a reasonable cost of education to be below $40,000 per student per year. The government therefore must immediately communicate with the public the basis of their calculation to arrive at numbers of $10,500 and $17,000 per child at the primary and secondary levels respectively, as sufficient for a satisfactory standard of education. I am also calling on the Principals Association of Jamaica to compute their own calculations or communication and conversation within the public as it relates to what is a reasonable cost for a minimum acceptable standard of education. To facilitate the principal's efforts, I have garnered the commitment of a team of accountants and economists that will meet with the principals if they are so willing to lend their expertise to the process. The question about whether or not cost sharing is necessary in Jamaica starts with the reasonable cost per child to be satisfactorily educated and the percentage of this cost government is willing to cover. Again, I suggest that the government can't seek to have the political benefit of saying school fees not mandatory or free education, joint with the political benefit of no new taxes, however, not offering the necessary funding for important aspects of society, such as education.